A very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see about MS PowerPoint formatting presentation. Formatting means to make some changes or arranging things and to make it more beautiful. That is what is called as formatting. Now we have seen how to start a PowerPoint presentation. Now we will see how we can make it look more beautiful or more better by formatting it. We will be formatting our PowerPoint presentation. Now how to format the PowerPoint presentation in different ways that we are going to see today. So first of all, this is a simple plain PowerPoint presentation with around 4 slides in it. 1, 2, 3 and 4 slides. Okay, then we can add some themes over here. To add themes means एक पैटर्न ऑफ डिज़ाइन फॉर द होल पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. सारे स्लाइड्स में एक तरीके का डिज़ाइन ऐड करना. See, we'll go to design tab. See, these are the tabs available on the top. We'll go to design tab. We can select from these tabs or click on this down more arrow and we can see all the slides available. Okay, now we will select this one. See, this slide I have selected. Now for instance, if I want to change the color, you can even modify the theme color. How do we modify? Now we have selected the theme, मतलब ये डिज़ाइन हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया है. तो यहाँ पर on the right hand side we have colors. You just have to click on these colors and select any color. This will show a demo. As I change my colors, it is showing how it might look. So we can also change it to any color that we want. Yes, so we can change different we can add different designs and उस डिज़ाइन के हिसाब से हम कलर्स को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वे वी कैन चेंज द कलर्स. नाउ यहाँ पर हम थीम के फॉन्ट को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. हाउ डू वी चेंज द फॉन्ट? जस्ट यहाँ कलर्स के नीचे फॉन्ट है, तो हम जिस टाइप का फॉन्ट चाहते हैं वी कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड वी कैन सेलेक्ट वॉट एवर टाइप ऑफ फॉन्ट वी वॉन्ट. Okay, not necessary that you have to use the same font that comes with some particular theme. We can change it to any kind of font that we want. Yes, we have changed the font style also. Now anything you type here, it will be in that font style only. So होल डॉक्यूमेंट में यही सेम फॉन्ट यूज़ किया जाएगा. नाउ चेंजिंग द बैकग्राउंड कलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर फॉर दिस स्लाइड अलोन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट दिस स्लाइड. Okay, the particular slide that I want to change the background color. Go to design tab. In your book it is given in customize group. I don't have a customized group, but I have this, and in customized group you have to select format background. Format background you will select and then select the solid color and select whatever color you want from here. Like I want this, so I'm just going to give apply to all. Apply to all will apply to all the slides, and if I give close, it will close. Now this transparency means like this it will become lighter, and to the end it will become white color. And no transparency, lesser transparency means the actual color that we have selected will be displayed. Now I'm just going to use it only for this particular slide and I'm going to give close. We can also select more colors for this by just selecting the more color option here. Okay, more colors option. You can select any color that you feel like and give it here. You want to make it lighter, you can just select transparency and you can close. So this is how you add color to the background. Now adding gradient fill. Next slide I will show you how to add the gradient fill. Same in design tab, format background you have to select and select this second option, that is gradient fill, and you can select any type of color and gradient available. Okay, these are various options available. Linear means in lines, radial means a bit of circular. I'll show you. See this one, this is in lines form. I will change. See, it's more like a curved form, then rectangular. So these are the various effects that we can give. See, shade will start from the title and it will go towards the bottom. Now here every shade is different, so we can change how dark we want every shade. See, where you want the color change to begin, all that we can do using these arrows. Right, now color also we can change to any color that we want. Okay, so this is how we can select and use the gradient fill. Now I am giving close because I want it only for one slide. Next we will see is applying picture or texture fill effect. I'll select the next slide. Again same design tab and background styles and select this picture or texture effect. Now here I can select what kind of texture that I want. This is the kind of texture, or if I want to add some picture over here, I can insert means add karna. I can insert file, I can select any picture that I want and I will click on insert टैब खोलते ही insert क्लिक करते ही insert टैब खुल जाता है and I can select any picture from my computer and I can just insert it. Now this picture has been inserted. Since this picture is a bit blurred, this font is not seen, that we can change later. Now here in this picture we can add the picture as the texture effect. Alright, again the picture transparency also, how light we want. So this is like a blurred picture. Children, you can use this effect for making your greeting cards or invitation cards. It will look very beautiful on that. Okay, so this is how we add the picture, and the picture can be, see, you can drag it how much ever you want. More the percentage, it is just like the margin that we have used in Word document. Okay, to change the margins, same thing we do in Word document. How much space we want on the edges of the picture. that also can be decided here. This is how we add the picture effect, picture and texture effect. Okay, so texture, if you want, you can change the texture, the different types of textures that are available, or you can use picture, any picture that you want. Like I had selected insert and this sunflower picture, and I am just going to give insert. Okay, because the transparency is already 69, it is showing 69. We'll close this now. Next we will see about the pattern fill. Same design tab, background styles, format background, and here in pattern fill we can have different types of pattern. Foreground color, like we had learnt in paint, means आगे का जो ये dots है those colors. Background color means जो पीछे white color का background है, that is this background color. So ये जो dots है वो blue color में है because the foreground color is blue. You can change it to any color that you want and it will come in that color. And design also, any design can be selected. Pattern means what? एक जैसी design, same design all over. See, this checks give a better effect. You can see the difference of the color, and you can see when we change the background color also you can see the effect. So the background is blue color, light blue color, and foreground, that is this pattern, is drawn in red color. Now I am going to apply only to this, so close. Next slide we will see inserting picture from file. There are two ways to do that. One is from insert tab. Insert means कुछ भी ऐड करना, तो जो भी ऐड करना होता है, for that we have to go to insert tab, select on picture, and I can select any picture that I want to insert. Here is the picture. Or one more way is to add a picture from here only. Insert picture and just click here and select the picture. Insert tab comes, select the picture you want. This is the way to insert a picture. Now for example, if I want to add any text over here, I can add using a word art on the slide. To add a word art, okay children, I'll show the word art option in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.